In the intricate dance of attraction, creating an indelible mark on a woman's mind requires finesse and a strategic approach. Today, we unveil 4 rules that will leave any woman captivated by your allure. Remember, approach this knowledge with good intentions, as true chemistry stems from a genuine emotional connection. Before delving into the rules, understand that the foundation of attraction lies in the emotional connection you forge. It's not about unveiling your deepest desires prematurely. Instead, it's about becoming the man she desires. The time spent together is pivotal during the attraction phase. Make it fun, light, and ensure your presence leaves an indelible mark. Rule number 1. Embrace unpredictability. The cardinal rule in making her think about you incessantly is to avoid predictability. Inject an element of imbalance into the equation, signaling to her that she must continually strive to attract you. If you're accustomed to sending regular morning or night texts, make her anticipate your messages by not responding too quickly. Let her wait and relish the excitement of seeing your name on her phone. Rule number 2. Embrace mystery. Mystery is a potent force in attraction. Resist the urge to share every detail of your life on social media. Instead, maintain an air of mystery by posting less frequently. Temporary disappearances can also be effective. Leave her wondering about your activities. A delayed response to her messages, coupled with a casual explanation about your busy day, reinforces that she's not your sole priority, piquing her interest. Rule number 3. Strategic engagement. Following the second rule requires finesse. Engage in the art of strategic disappearance, but in moderation. Rather than vanishing for extended periods, pop in and out on your terms, emphasizing your busy schedule. Keep this up for about 3 days, and when you resume communication, let her curiosity run wild. The element of unpredictability during this period enhances her attraction, making you stand out from the crowd. Rule number 4. Plans after prioritizing yourself. After being less attentive for a few days, it's time to make plans. When reinitiating conversations, share that work has kept you busy, but focus on her experiences. Maintain an air of mystery by not fully answering her questions. Eventually, schedule an outing, but not immediately. Let the anticipation build. Crafting a message like, "I'm busy the next 2 days, but how about grabbing a drink on Friday night around 7, sets the stage for her excitement to see you again. Mastering the art of making her think about you nonstop involves a delicate balance of unpredictability, mystery, and strategic engagement. By following these 4 rules, you position yourself as a captivating force, ensuring that she not only thinks about you, but yearns to see you again. If you've absorbed these insights, comment below with the word 100% to confirm your newfound knowledge. For more captivating topics, explore the recommended video on your screen. Thank you for watching.